My parents don't live in Tāmaki, Makaurau, so it has been vital for me to have people, have my people. When I had my second child, who's 7 years younger, I realised what an incredible blessing it had been to have that friendship, because I didn't have that the next time round, and I really had to work at building a community the second time round. I was older, he was way more vibrant, and I really needed people in my corner. I had an amazing little community in Wanaka that stemmed from a playgroup. It was really hard to leave that, and then when I came back to Auckland, I wasn't sure what to do, and I ended up turning to Playcentre and found an amazing whānau there, and that's been just the making of the last few years for me. That Playcentre whānau has kind of made it okay for me to feel how I do, and made it okay for him to be who he is and be his amazing authentic self, and for us both to feel included and valued and part of something bigger than us. You know, it's been amazing for building friendships for him. It's been amazing for me to have someone, you know, who gets it, who knows, who like a shoulder to cry on, people to laugh with, and just, you know, put our heads in our hands and be like, oh my goodness, on the days when it's really hard.